This is Hong from the Windows Club. If you wish to disable Proxy on your Windows system, then either read through the article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, go to the Network and Internet tab on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, select Proxy. Turn the switch off for automatically detect settings. If Use Setup Script or Manual Proxy Setup is on, please turn that off too. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your query. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.